Welcome to video 3 of our AI productivity series. Today we are exploring Jasper AI, the powerful AI writing platform designed specifically for marketers, content creators, and corporate communication teams. If your job involves creating blogs, social media content, product descriptions, marketing campaigns, or business copy, Jasper AI can help you product high quality content in minutes instead of hours. In this video, I will show you how to generate a professional blog post, create engaging Facebook ad copy, and build a reusable product description library all in less than 10 minutes. So let's dive in and see how Jasper AI can transform your content creation workflow. This is Jasper dashboard. Three key areas, templates on the left, documents in the center, and brand voice in settings. Notice the 50 plus templates, blog post, AIDA framework, product descriptions, email subject lines. Each is purpose built for a specific marketing use case. This is what separates Jasper from general AI tools. It's designed for marketing output. Let's create a full blog post. I will fill in. Jasper created a 5-section outline in 3 seconds. Now I will click Write Blog Post. A 1100 word SEO optimized blog article, introduction, 5 sections with subheading, statistics, practical tips, and a conclusion with call to action. This would take a copyright 3 to 4 hours just for 45 seconds. I will use Jasper chart to refine, make the introduction more compelling with a shocking statistic. Perfect. Now it open with by 2027 AI will automate 70% of supply chain decisions much stronger. Now let's write Facebook ad copy using the AIDA framework. Attention, interest, desire, action. Jasper generated 3 different ad variations. Each uses a different angle. In a real campaign, you would A by B test all three. Jasper just gave you 3 tested angles instantly. Jasper AI is built for marketers, agencies, business owners, and content creators who need to produce high quality content faster instead of spending hours writing from source. You can generate blogs, ads, emails, and social media posts in just a few minutes. With powerful templates, brand voice, and AI assisted writing, Jasper helps maintain consistency while saving valuable time. If you are creating content regularly, the creator plan at $49 per month can be a worthwhile investment. The time is saves and the productivity it added can easily outweigh the monthly cost for many businesses. If you would like to try it yourself, visit jasper.ai and explore the features with a free trial or the latest available plan. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how Jasper AI can streamline your content creation workflow. See you in video 4.